Hi, I'm Jenny. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, I'm so glad you can come back. If you're new here, I am a neurodivergent documentarian who likes to document history, hiking, and small town living. And sometimes some really random things that just kind of happen to pop into place. But just a little housekeeping before I start this next video. The hotel itself is now open again to where you can actually book rooms if you'd like. You can check availability at the website of Amargosa to see what's available if you're making a trip to Death Valley. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Now, without further ado, please enjoy my stay at the Amargosa Hotel, where we talk ghost stories and see what all the excitement is about. Hi, I'm Jenny, and I am giving you the Amargosa Hotel. If you didn't have this hotel, you would not have Death Valley. You would not. Welcome, I'm Jenny, and I give you the Amargosa Hotel today. Now, I can't give you the Marta tour, and if you want to get some more mining videos about mining history of Death Valley Junction, you can comment below, and I'll see what I can do. But today, we're going to talk about the hotel, and we're going to talk about how did the hotel become haunted? Is it really haunted? I don't know about that. And while we can't tell you what kind of ghost hunting you can do in the room that you book, I will tell you that we do not allow paranormal investigators anywhere else on the property. You're allowed to be in your room. You can be in the little sunroom that I'll take you to later today. And before COVID, you were allowed to be in the great room where there's a fireplace, but who knows when we'll let you be able to sit there again. Follow me into the tour of the spooky rooms at the Amargosa Hotel. I had different plans on a video today because of California and its stay-at-home orders. They have closed all the hotels in the county that I work at, which means we have to close. The building itself now, as it stands in December of 2020, we have a cafe that is closed, we have an opera house that is closed, and we have a hotel that was open until today. So, how did the Amargosa Opera House come to be a haunted place? I mean, the answer is fairly simple. Television. And then, after television, movies, and the internet. That is how we are known as a haunted hotel. Yeah, that's what television does. Television and movies creates a world of fantasy. So, somewhere in the 2000s, the managers of the hotel and Marta signed off on having the Ghost Hunter Adventure come here. People see the shows and that's all that they know and so then they want a spooky room. They call up and I want a spooky room. We'll put you in 9, 15, or 24 because those are the rooms that were on the show. So chances are you watch the Dead Files and you want to be in one of those rooms. Now room 24 is where you will be booked if you request a spooky room. Because in 24 is where the young girl died in the bathtub. Depending on the vibe I get from you, I put you in the truly spooky room. That is considered the vortex of stuff. Welcome to room 22. The vortex. Now, I came in this room at least 3 times before someone said to me, "Hey, have you been in the acrobat room?" And I come in, and oh, That's a lot of murals to have never seen. Walking to check the air conditioning unit like we do, and to check the beds, and to go back out that door. I never saw this. And I came in this room multiple times. And it wasn't until somebody told me that these murals were on the wall that I ever saw the murals on the wall. So explain that to me. Ah, alternate realities, vortexes. I don't know if it's evil. I think it's just a vortex. People also like to ask me what kind of experiences I've had. And I've decided I'm going to spend the night. I'm going to stay in room 15. We don't rent room 15 anymore. I can stay in room 15 because I have some special privileges. And let's see what happens. I have no idea. I think I'll just sleep like a baby because it's really quiet here. And it's quite peaceful. Okay. So far, nothing out of the usual weirdness in the TV show. This is the room where the person like froze in place and felt ill or something like that. So far, I'm just really excited because it's beautiful in here. And I'm surrounded by cherubs. I am going to change into my PJs and go back out by the fire and see if I hear anything. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a ghost hunter. I'm not like I don't know what ghosty people are supposed to do. I just know that I'm staying in this lovely warm painted room instead of camping in my cold car tonight. I'm really excited about that. Okay, I came out to sit by the fire. I'm not allowed to sit on the couches because it's December of 2020 in the state of California. And so far, it's cold. It's really cold in the hotel. So that's a thing, I think. There's noises because it's an old hotel. I'm not staying up all night. The ghost hunter people have said all those like spirit boxes and little Geiger meter counters things. I don't think they're Geiger meter counters. I don't know what they are. I've had that was weird. Okay. Marta believed that she would be here when she passed on. And who am I to say where she is? If you get to pick where you want to be, then she's here. So by default, you have to just err on that she's here. Seems logical. Okay. The world is a scary place right now. That's kind of why I go hiking. This right here is where the majority of the orbs and the spirits and all that talk that Marta had, this is where she was. She wasn't in Spooky Hollow. She was in the sitting room, as I call it. They say that sometimes you can hear someone walk up and down the hall and there's a rustle, like of a dress. There's 2 chairs and food and wine on the balcony, looking down on us. There's chairs on the other side. Maybe I'll have a room 15 spooky experience. Really don't think so though. That room is so cute. So cute. The cherubs on the wall, and it makes it look like a headboard. Marta's painting skills were amazing. It is late. I need to go to bed, or at least go into my room. Okay, so I'm in the room and I'm cold. Like, it's colder than the hallway cold. So I'm standing next to the heater. But if I can just get into bed, I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, there's Wilson. This is Wilson. Aww, buddy. I should probably have a small disclaimer in case I haven't said this already. He lives at the hotel. Any of the other rooms that I show you, you were able to rent. Yes, you can rent the other rooms, but this one, no. Something that's not a lot of people know about this room is this is the room that they filmed Lost Highway in. Yeah? I say we go get coffee. Because I'm the only one who can make it. Let's go. Let's go get some coffee. Yeah? Tell me all about it. Are you sad? First, let's see if we got any coals left. Oh, yeah. We got a little bit of coals left. All right. Now we got a fire going. Hi, Marta. Good morning. Doesn't she look a lot like Natalie Wood? Somebody mentioned that the other day, and now I can't get it out of my mind. Not so spooky in the daytime. Good morning. This is what you wake up to. All the spirits have gone to bed. That right there, folks, real quick, is the garage from Lost Highway. So I slept in the room from Lost Highway, and in front of me here, you see this lovely garage that was used for the movie Lost Highway. A lot of people don't know that because every time they stepped out of the garage, they were in Los Angeles. Movie magic. They also filmed Hitcher in this area, in the cafe. A Robert Plant video was filmed over there. You got to come with me on my first overnight into the Amargosa Hotel. But that was really fun, and I'm glad that I could share that with you, especially since we have to shut down until March at least. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come with me on more adventures. Hey, would you like to stay on the Colonial and have a little table outside your room? Here's a tip. Book an odd number room if we have it available.